So at the moment I'm at Hull Far Raceway, and I met Tony Ferrugia again, and today he's attempting to push a heavier truck.
A bit bigger, yeah.
How are you feeling, Tony?
Okay, not bad.
So you're looking forward to your next pull?
Yes.
And which truck are you going to pull?
This one here. The nicest truck.
And how much does that weigh?
8.6 tons.
8.6 tons. Let's have a look at it. So you're gonna with your harness?
With the harness. I'm not going to use a rope. It's harder without the rope.
And obviously you're gonna pull it from the front.
Yeah, from the front.
All right then. Well done. Hopefully everything goes well, and get yourself really mad, and you don't need to be punched like
last time.
All right, Tony Ferrugia, sort of well done.
Thank you.
Good luck. Bye bye. Well done, Tony.
Thanks.
You did it again. Well done. Bravo.
Right.